How to set up TU Always On VPN or AOVPN. Prerequisites. You must have a staff or an associate mail-enabled account at T's side. You also need a mobile phone, either an Android or an iPhone, with the Microsoft Authenticator app installed. Your staff account needs to be a member of AOVPN users in Active Directory. This is requested by IT technicians who will request this for you on your behalf using the EMS. Make sure your device has a hardwired network connection available and is not solely using a wireless connection. To install AOVPN, type Software Center in the search box in the taskbar. A list of applications will be presented. Click on Always On VPN icon and click Install or Reinstall. Once you have installed AOVPN, reboot the laptop. Then after it is rebooted, you can then disconnect the network lead. Now log back onto your laptop. Click on the globe icon in the bottom right of the screen and select Manage Wi-Fi Connections. Select Eduroam. Tick or untick the Connect Automatically tick box. Click Connect. Using the Sign In dialog box, enter your staff account details. Click on the globe icon in the bottom right of the screen and select VPN. Select TU Always On SSTP. Click Connect. You will then receive a prompt on your phone that you need to click Approve on. Otherwise, it will not get to the connected state. And that's it. You're connected.